All right, y'all, I think I finally found that nice Yaki bob to wear for the summertime that still looks natural. So if you guys want to see what I'm speaking on and how I slayed this unit using no glue, no adhesive, no baby hairs, and I didn't bleach the knots, make sure you stay tuned for this one. This unit today is going to be brought to you by the company Myfirstwig. Of course, if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, like, you missing out, sis. Please hit the subscribe button and also turn those notifications on. Today's video will consist of me showing you guys how to style your unit fresh out of the box. And I usually don't do these too often, but of course, with Myfirstwig, they make it very easy to style their units. It pretty much comes almost ready to go. You just have to put a little bit of work into it. Right here, I'm just showing you guys what I received in my box. Now, of course, on the website, they do have it to where you can pick and choose what items you want to come in the box. Now, with Myfirstwig, they do prepare a kit for you that makes it easy for beginners, especially if you don't have all the items at home. It just makes it a little bit easier for you to prep and style your unit. And they pretty much have almost a one-stop shop on their website. The unit that I will be showing you guys is their Jamie wig. It is in a natural hair color. It is 12 inches in length. It is a Yaki texture. The lace color on this is light brown, and I do have the 6-inch glueless lace cap. This is the full lace wig version, and they also have the lace front wig version. And it does come with your soft lace. It comes with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, your adjustable straps, and it also comes with a removable elastic band. And you do get 6 inches of parting space with this unit. I am not going to worry about bleaching the knots on this unit because the knots aren't that big, and so I feel like powder or foundation will definitely take care of it. I'm just going to take a brush and go into that color, and I'm going to sweep that all across the parting space on the lace, and that is how it is going to look when I am fully done. It looks like I bleached the knots from the underside. Now I am just going to put this on my head, and while I am adjusting everything, I want to let you guys know Jamie is not new to my channel. I purchased Jamie a long time ago, and I actually did reviews on it. It was one of my first human hair purchases. Okay, I purchased that unit and I did an update on it, but I had it in the silky version. So if you guys have not seen that video, I will make sure to leave a link down below if you guys are interested in that video. I'm just making sure that the wig is positioned right and that it meets up by my ears. However, from previous experiences with their wigs, I already know I'm not going to have to go in on the sides and cut down anything. Their wigs fit me perfectly and they fit comfortable, and I don't have to worry about it slipping and sliding off. You guys know I have a smaller head, so for you guys who are around my head size, which is a 21 to 21 and a half, this is a size 1, and they do go all the way up to a size 2. So make sure you guys know your correct wig size so that you don't have to worry about your wig not fitting right. Getting ready to add some heat to this hair, but I went in with my heat protectant by Beyond the Zone. I will make sure to leave a link down below to all of the products that I am using in this video, and then I am going to clip the front of the hair back. You guys know I like to start at the back pieces first, and then I focus on the front. For today's video, I will be using my Kaposi flat iron. Y'all know I talk about this flat iron all the time, but it is affordable. It gets the job done. I have nothing negative to say about this flat iron. I love this flat iron. Unit is taking to heat well, as you guys can see. I'm not having to go through it a bunch of times. That is one thing that I love about Yaki straight hair, is that you don't have to put too much work into it. However, as you guys know, with some of my experiences on my channel, some Yaki straight hair has that texture to it. It has those extra crimps in it, and it can come off very unnatural. But as you guys can see, like, this looks natural. I'm not getting a whole bunch of those crimps at all. I can definitely feel the texture and feel the difference from when I had the silky version, but this feels really good and very lightweight. So I'm making sure to get the back pieces also. This is a blunt cut bob, so you want to make sure that you do the same thing all the way around so that you don't have some straight pieces in the back and then some slightly bumped pieces in the front. I want this to be even and look good all the way around. Now, as you guys can see while I'm flat ironing this, I'm pretty sure you guys have noticed those flyaway pieces at the very top and those shorter pieces. Well, they did include this flyaway tamer in the box also, and you can purchase that or choose not to if you don't want to. But I actually like this flyaway tamer because it is not thick. Yes, I do use my Care wax stick, but sometimes it can come off a little bit too thick and you have to be very careful with it, and it also can leave a shine if you're not careful with it. This one does not leave too much of a shine, and like I said, it's not really thick and heavy. So I'm making sure to use the rat tail comb. I'm making sure to get in that middle part and open it up a little bit more because you get 6 inches of parting space, and I want to make sure I utilize all of that. Go in with a little bit more of that Ruby Kisses powder, and I'm just going to go around the hairline. And as you guys can see, the little light cast around that side, that just means that I need to cut off a little bit more lace, and I just want to make sure that everything looks good in the parting space. And then I'm going to get up close for you guys so you can see the final results. But this is it, guys. This was a very simple and easy install. This will be my everyday routine. I know I've been showing you guys a lot of the Got2b freeze spray and the Got2b gel, but my everyday routine is this simple. I just use my elastic band, or sometimes I go in with the wig grip and I put my wig on, make sure it's flat and it's blended in, and I go. Texture on this looks amazing. This is how I want my Yaki hair to look. The cut on this is very nice. It's a blunt cut. There's not much to it, but it's simple and it's perfect for every day. It's perfect for the office. It's perfect for out on a date, out on the town. You can dress it up, dress it down, and it's very lightweight and it's not too heavy for the hot summer months. Once again, I do have this unit in 12 inches. However, you can get a 10 inch and you can go all the way up to a 16 inch. I am only 5'2", and I feel like it does hit me exactly where I want it to be. You guys can also see the lace blends in perfectly with my skin tone, and they do offer a medium lace also. So guys, let me know what you think about this easy, quick, glueless install. It is perfect for somebody who just needs to go and doesn't require too much fuss. If you guys are interested in this unit, once again, I'll make sure to leave all the details down below. Sure to like and share this video, and also leave some love down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.